Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Brunswick, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move can be a less stressful experience if you choose an experienced Brunswick moving company. Our well-trained and licensed long-distance movers will be extremely helpful in making the whole relocation process easier, and you avoid the risk of getting hurt, so there's nothing to worry about. Anything with one of the best moving companies in Brunswick. They can also help you craft a plan down to the smallest details. So book our Brunswick Moving Company today if you plan to relocate outside your city or across the country. One of the benefits of working with the well-respected local movers versus a DIY move is the planning. Hiring Brunswick local movers provides you the freedom that you do not have with a DIY move. Packaging stuff, purchasing boxes, finding a truck, etc. are a few things that you need to take care of while you're on a DIY move. Our local movers have years of experience under the belt, and they will not just transport your stuff safely, but also do this on time. One of the biggest benefits of hiring our long-distance movers out of the companies of Brunswick is that we prevent multiple trips. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brunswick moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.